pots may look simple, but behind their natural beauty lies a world of purpose, tradition, and meaning. From ancient rituals to modern decor, these handcrafted vessels have carried food, water, culture, and spirit through time. In today's video, we'll explore why wooden pots are not just objects, but purposeful companions in human life. 1. The timeless role of wooden pots. For thousands of years, people have relied on wooden pots. Before the invention of ceramics, glass, or plastic, wood was one of the first natural materials shaped into vessels. Its strength, warmth, and availability made it a reliable choice for daily life. Wooden pots held grains, water, oils, and herbs. They carried offerings in temples and stood at the heart of kitchens, ceremonies, and gatherings. Even today, their earthy character makes them purposeful beyond measure. Artistic purposes. Beyond function, wooden pots are purposeful as art. Each grain of wood is unique, meaning no two pots are identical. Artisans use carving, wood turning, and finishing techniques to transform a simple block of wood into a vessel of beauty. Some wooden pots are plain and rustic. Others are highly decorative, used as gifts, heirlooms, or statement pieces in interior design. Their artistry is a purposeful reminder of human creativity. Wooden pots in modern homes. Today, wooden pots fit seamlessly into modern lifestyles. Eco-friendly living. People choose them as sustainable alternatives to plastic. Home decor. As vases, centerpieces, or decorative storage, they bring warmth to interiors. Gifting. A handcrafted wooden pot carries thoughtfulness and uniqueness. They blend tradition with modern aesthetics, making them purposeful in both rural and urban spaces. Tables can often look cold or bare, especially when made of glass, marble, or metal. Wooden pots soften these surfaces by adding an organic texture. Their natural grains, earthy tones, and smooth finishes create a sense of warmth that makes a dining or coffee table feel inviting. When placed at the center of a table, a wooden pot doesn't just decorate, it anchors the space, drawing the eye and grounding the arrangement. Versatility in styles. Wooden pots adapt beautifully to many interior styles. In a rustic farmhouse setting, a rough-hewn wooden pot filled with dried flowers or herbs adds charm. In a modern minimalist home, a sleek, polished pot with a single green plant creates elegance. In a bohemian style, Colorful carved pots bring vibrancy and cultural flair. In a luxury interior, a dark mahogany pot with a glossy finish becomes a refined statement piece. This versatility ensures that wooden pots as table decor always find their place, no matter the theme, scale, and arrangement. When used on tables, scale is important. One large pot can act as a bold focal point in the center. Several smaller pots arranged in a cluster create rhythm and variety. Tiered arrangements, with pots of different heights, add dimension and visual interest. The role of wooden pots in interior design. Designers often use wooden pots as focal points in modern interiors. Their organic look softens the hard edges of modern furniture, while their textures add warmth and character. For example, a tall carved wooden pot can serve as a corner accent piece. Small, polished wooden pots can be arranged in clusters as table decor. Rustic, unfinished pots can create a farmhouse or bohemian vibe. Their artistic purpose here is transformation, turning an ordinary space into a place of character and style. Symbolic and gifting purposes. Artistic wooden pots also carry symbolic meaning. They are often given as gifts to represent abundance, prosperity, or a connection to nature. Their artistry makes them more than a container. They become a meaningful token. When given as a wedding gift, for example, a beautifully carved wooden pot can symbolize the hope for growth and harmony in a new home. Bridging tradition and modern art. Today's artisans experiment with blending old and new. Some combine wood with resin, glass, or metal, creating fusion designs that appeal to contemporary tastes. Others keep the traditional methods alive, ensuring that each pot reflects centuries of cultural artistry.